Hello everyone, welcome to Delta Wise. I am Abhijit and today I am going to explain a simple trade which I took early in the morning in Banknifty, which almost gave me a profit around 3 lakh, and if you calculate it in terms of points, I gained more than 200 points in that trade. So let me explain the logic behind this trade. So if you see here, this is Banknifty 5-minute chart, and there was a huge gap down in Bank Nifty and Nifty both. They both opened around 0.6 0.7% down, and my view was bearish, to be honest, but I always make sure I wait at least 10 to 15 minutes in the morning to check whether the gap down or the gap up is sustaining or not. And today I just waited for 5 minutes here, and in the very first 5 minutes I got to know that Bank Nifty is not gonna sustain this gap down. Okay, and I immediately went long at this second candle. There were two strong reasons behind that. First is, this is one of my 5 intraday setups which I regularly use in the market, and the second one was there was a strong support zone at 41,000. Okay, 41,000 is a round figure number. This red line here is 41,000. The round figure numbers matters a lot, especially on the expiry dates. Okay, so I have a habit of marking important round figure numbers on the expiry days. So Bank Nifty opened below this important level and it managed to close above it comfortably in the very first candle. So it was a second confirmation for me that buyers are very strong as compared to the sellers. So I immediately went long here, and my first target was CPR, my second target was this PDH zone, but it was an expiry, so my plan was to carry it till the end of the day. I shorted 41,500 put. So you might get confused here why I shorted in the money put, because if you see the higher time frame chart you will get to know that Bank Nifty had a very strong resistance at 41,500. So my plan was simple. I would exit all my long positions around this level, around 41,500. But what happened here? Bank Nifty went till 41,480, right? And then it was sideways for the rest of the day. Okay, so what did I do? I waited all day long and I exited around 3 o'clock or something, and I shorted around 487 or something, and I covered it up around 189 or 190. If you wanna see, you can see the M2M as well, because I get many DMs. There are many trollers out there on Instagram who sometimes say that my M2Ms are fake or the screenshots are fake. So dekh lo bhai, here are all the trades I have done. Okay, so this was the position which I'm talking about, 41,500. okay, and this was 41,400 call. This was an overnight position because I was short overnight. Okay, and I covered the position when Bank Nifty opened gap down, and when it was showing strength I decided to exit all the short position, and then I just reversed my position. If you see the Nifty chart guys, it will show you the same setup which I follow. Okay, it was the same setup which you got in Bank Nifty, but the only difference was Nifty went up to the CPR only. It failed to go beyond CPR, so that's why Nifty was weaker as compared to the Bank Nifty. That's why I didn't trade in Nifty. This trade in Nifty was an overnight position and it was a bullish position, and that's I didn't get much profit in Nifty. It is only 26,000 or around 20,000 if you combine this profit and this small loss, and all the major gains which I got today was in Bank Nifty only. And this is an intraday setup guys. I have only 5 setups which I follow regularly in the market. There are many traders out there who teaches you 10, 15, even 20 intraday strategies, but I believe we don't get much time in the live market. Your trading plan, your trading strategy should be as simple as possible. it is very easy to choose one strategy among the 5 strategies rather than choosing one strategy among 25 strategies in the live market. So always have less strategies but the best strategies. So I believe in quality rather than quantity, hence I only use 5 setups. And if you want to learn all these 5 setups in depth, you can buy my course. I have given the link in the description box. And if you have any doubts, you can always DM me on Insta. My Instagram profile link is in the description box. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.